Hi everybody, it's Menser, founder and CEO of Diamond Banc. We're a nationwide leading Rolex buyer and Rolex equity lender. So what that means is you can actually borrow against the equity in your watch and maintain ownership. And often people ask our market directors at our 13 locations or our shipping business, they ask, well, what's better? Should I sell my Rolex or should I get a loan? So we can't give the answer to that question unless we know the intent of what's really best for the client. Right, so you need to decide, hey, I don't wear this watch anymore. I'm fine to part with it and I'd enjoy the proceeds of selling it. I have a better use for the capital or the money. Or no, I'd actually love to keep ownership of it, but I would like to access the money. And so if it's the latter, then clearly the loan is the better choice. And the great thing about Rolex watches is because they're very liquid in nature in relation to other watch brands and other types of jewelry, the amount we can loan versus the amount you paid will be a lot closer than some other asset classes. So you're going to be able to borrow very generously against your Rolex, get that capital, but still maintain ownership. And so since most traditional lenders don't lend against luxury assets, you're also tapping the equity and ownership in these watches to put in your business, to help a family member, to do whatever you need to do. And a lot of our clients have very substantial watch collections, a couple of them huge watch collections. And so they don't want to sell those watches because sometimes when you sell the watch and then later, let's say you want to buy it back, well, the buy-sell spread, meaning what you lost between selling it here and buying it later, is generally much greater than the amount of interest that you're going to pay us during the duration of your loan. And with Diamond Banc's loans, the whole structure is super pro-consumer and pro-client. So you dictate and determine how long your loan term is based on the minimum payment that you make, and you decide that on a monthly basis. So really the terms are all about you. But I would definitely say that in most cases, you're going to save money and maintain assets because you don't build wealth by shedding assets by borrowing against the watch. So keep owning it, borrow against it, and then repeat that process. But if you don't wear the watch or the things that you value have changed and you're no longer into watches, then selling it is the cleanest. But with Diamond Banc, our buy price and our loan price are either the same or very close depending on market conditions at the time and the stability in the market. We want to truly add value to our clients and the value to people that just took the investment of time to watch our videos. So I want to warmly invite you to visit diamondbank.com, and we would love to give you a purchase offer and a loan package on your Rolex for your consideration. There's no pressure, and even if you don't respond, at least you have the information, the data to make an informed decision. And our team members can tell you why they're giving you that offer, show you supporting comps and formulas so you know the why behind it. So it's always good to have options, especially financial options. So please visit diamondbank.com today, and we'll tell you all the different ways we can provide liquidity against your Rolex.